Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make peanut or groundnut oil at home. I'll be showing you a simple and quick method on how to make this oil at home. So to make this peanut or groundnut oil, I'll be using fresh peanuts or groundnuts. I will add it into the oven tray. I'm going to use the oven method to roast the peanuts. So I will add it into the oven and roast not for long, for like 5 minutes. Then the peanut is ready. I'm going to peel to remove the peanut skin. You can check out my video on how to roast your peanuts in the oven. So when I'm done peeling off the peanut skin, I'll add the peanut into the blender. Then I'll cover the blender and blend until smooth or into a fine powder. While blending, you can take it out, then scrape down so that the peanuts will mix properly and continue blending. Mix everything together and continue blending until smooth. While blending, you can notice that some peanut oil is forming. I don't want it to turn into peanut butter, so I'm going to turn off the blender. I'm going to add the peanut paste into a pot. This is my method. I know there are so many other methods on how to make peanuts, but continue watching. Add the blended peanuts into the pot. You need to use low heat. Then I'll be stirring continuously, or you can stir from time to time. The reason why I'm using this method, I want the heat to help to melt the oil from the peanut paste. I'll add 2 tablespoons of water and continue stirring because I want the peanut to form into a paste. I'm going to do this for about 5 minutes. Then I will turn off the heat. When I notice that it is turning into a paste, it is getting more thick, you can even do a taste by squeezing it out. When you notice that the oil is coming out, you turn off the heat. At this stage, I will turn off the heat. I'll be using clean washed chiffon cloth. You can use cheesecloth. Then I will add the peanut cake or paste into the chiffon cloth. Then I will squeeze to get the oil. You need to squeeze so hard to get the oil. While squeezing, try to adjust your grip and squeeze as hard as you can. When I notice that the oil is no more coming out, I will set aside the peanut residue or chaff. Then I'll add another one. Then repeat the same process and continue squeezing until I get all the peanut or groundnut oil. Finally, when I'm done squeezing, I will set aside the peanut residue. You don't need to throw this away. I'll be showing you how to make use of the byproduct from the peanut. Finally, my pure peanut or groundnut oil is ready. This is what I got after squeezing all the peanuts. It's pure homemade peanut or groundnut oil. You can perceive the smell or aroma of the peanut in this oil. You can decide to filter the oil if you have any particles in it. I've done how I use the byproduct from the peanut or the peanut residue to make a spicy, crunchy peanut snacks. You can use the peanut oil or groundnut oil for cooking. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.